We talked about this idea. It's like, wow, it'd be amazing if this actually happened, and here we are actually doing it.
So to create a campaign of this size is around 9 months of preparation. There's been a huge amount of people that we brought on board this year.
Our yearly Supercheap Auto campaign.
We've taken what we knew worked last year and we've amplified it this year. This one's going to be big.
Rolling cameras!
We worked with Taxi, our production agency.
We have been filming across 4 days. Crew size has been anywhere between 70 and 100.
Chimera, the boys there, came together with an absolutely awesome creative.
We've got celebrity guests coming and going, we've got golfers, we've got tennis players, we've got lawn chess people, we've got cocktail parties. Once we had the idea of this country club resort, the next task became to find a location.
This place closed down only a couple of months ago. We saw that it closed down. We started reaching out to the owners, and after months of work, we were able to line this place up.
A couple of weeks ago, the whole place was overrun. It was wild. The grass was literally where we're standing. The grass was up to here. So everyone came together to make it look as amazing as it does.
Influencers and race car drivers are going to play a huge part in this campaign.
We look like from here down, Scotch finger biscuit packet, from here up, clown that went to a private school and trying to be taken seriously.
The car we brought up for this is just Bellissimo, one of my absolute favourites of all time.
Super Yamacox 450 with us.
Changed all the drive system to chains and shafts, and there's things everywhere, but it did work.
These shoots are always huge. It's one of the most amazing ad campaigns that I reckon is done in Australia.
Big drones, little drones, racing drones. This is not one of ours, but it's pretty cool anyway.
We're going to make the most of these cars in these situations. It's really about striking that balance between entertainment and high-octane car action. We'd come in here with Rob and go through what these cars can do and what's the best way that we can utilise their strengths to create a story.
It's been challenging, but it's been fun getting together and just coming up with these really cool ideas and planned out what we can and can't do and really do some out-of-the-box stuff.
We have a highly skilled stunt team working very closely with our drivers and vehicles, ensuring that safety is #1 priority. There is a kangaroo population on site here, so we have engaged a team of wildlife handlers.
We'll go out and make sure nothing's in the way, all the animals are ushered into their spots away from the scene, and then we can start rolling from there.
One of the funnest things about having worked on a shoot like this is everyone at Taxi, they're so organised. Supercheap giving everyone the creative flexibility to do what we love to do.
Anytime you say to a client, we want to drive a whole bunch of epic cars on an ultra posh golf course, you kind of expect a no, but you know what? Supercheap Auto said yes, and they made it happen. Super collaborative, super helpful, and super willing to drive a Corvette through the back of the behind-the-scenes team.
They're really trusting in allowing us to bring our own expertise and vision to the project.
Being super collaborative on a campaign like this is honestly one of the reasons we're able to do this every year. Our trade partners know that we're going to do the best possible job that we can.
You know, everyone's talking about this all year, and this is kind of the big one.
I know a lot of these guys work on big production stuff, but they always come to me and say that this is the funnest campaign that they do each year, and they'll cancel any job they've got lined up just to be a part of it. It's like bringing the family back together once a year to make it happen.
It's like family. All these people that are amazing at what they do.
This has been an absolutely epic 4 days. This is the biggest commercial Supercheap Auto has ever filmed. That's a wrap.